Hi and hello everyone. Today, let's understand about TDS implication on cash withdrawal. So, Section 194N governs about TDS on cash withdrawal in excess of 1 crore. This section was amended by Finance Act 2020 with effect from 1st July 2020. So, if the payee withdraws any cash from bank, from cooperative bank or from post office in excess of 1 crore, TDS rate is 2%. TDS is calculated in excess of 1 crore. Suppose if I withdraw 1.5 crore from a bank, TDS will be calculated on 0.5 crore. Second explanation is, if I have more than one account, then the aggregate will be considered in determining whether it is in excess of 1 crore. Suppose I maintain 3 accounts in a particular bank and withdrawal from first account is 90 lakhs, withdrawal from second account is 10 lakhs, withdrawal from third account is 20 lakh, cumulatively 1.2 crore. And even though withdrawal from a particular account is not more than 1 crore, but cumulatively I have withdrawn 1.2 crore, it is in excess of 1 crore. So cumulatively we have to check. So since it is more than 1 crore, TDS would be attracted on 20 lakh. There is a recent amendment as per the Finance Act 2020 with effect from 1st July 2020. This amendment says that if the payee has not filed the return of income for all of the 3 assessment year relevant to the previous year, for which the time limit of filing of return of income has expired, then the TDS would be deducted as follows. If the amount withdrawn is more than 20 lakhs but up to 1 crore, 2%, and if the amount withdrawn is more than 1 crore, 5%. Now let us consider an example for the previous year 2021. Since this amendment is with effect from 1st July 2020, for the previous year 2021 and 1920, the return filing has not expired. So the relevant previous year we need to consider is for the financial year 16-17, 17-18 and 18-19. And the assessment year for the financial year would be 17-18, 18-19 and 19. And if the assessee has not furnished the return of income for these 3 assessment year, the reduced limit would be considered, that is more than 20 lakh to 1 crore and more than 1 crore. Now suppose if the cash withdrawn is 1.2 lakhs, then and the assessee has not furnished, then TDS would be on 80 lakhs at the rate 2% and 20 lakhs at the rate 5%. The payee can be any person. However, there is an exception here. It says that if the payee is government, bank, cooperative bank, post office, business correspondent of the bank or cooperative bank, white label ATM operator or any other notified person, then TDS would not be attracted. The government may notify some other person to this section. Few notified persons are Agriculture Produce Market Committee, Cash Replenishment Agency, White Label ATM Operators, Full-Fledged Money Changer, which is licensed by RBI. And that's it from my side. Hope you found this informative. Stay connected with Brainstorm Learning for more videos.